allergy season.
I hope we never see October.
Say hello to your seasonal allergies.
Feel that, yeah. Oh my goodness.
I felt the weight fall off my shoulders. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So are you ready?
Yeah, hold on.
It's finally going to be fall, so I can say goodbye to my heat intolerance and my heat migraines, right? Yes, baby girl, and say hello to your seasonal allergies and your temperature change related migraines instead. Is there a time of year when you don't choose violence?
There's one more. One more. Yeah, that was it. Whew.
Me and Sarah are going to be doing some rap tests today because we both sound a little bit off. Sarah cough for him. Yeah, anyhow, we're going to do it all in one clip. Go. Quick. Test results later. Alright, I think I'm done. Wait, let me just get to one. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I put him up. Quick, Sarah, quick for time. So now we're just gonna press them in. Oh, where'd my COVID test go? My nose is leaking. Okay, put 3 drops in. 1, 2, 3. Come on. So don't look at it when I give it to you. Just start. Look. Hold you. Yeah. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Ah! Negative!
Oh, is she? She's off cloud. Look out. Look up your son. Or daughters.
He'll come out.
Or everyone. He'll come out.
I wasn't expecting you.
Yeah, because you thought he was going to get it at the door, didn't you?
Yeah.
I thought I'd surprise you in the bathroom. In the
wild.
banyo. In the banyo.
Oh,
Oh, sees more the love I'm giving off this one. Allergic to love. Because look at this one. bless you and all your sins, girl. Look at she's sinning tonight.
I want this
Are you
this year.
sinning or winning tonight, girl?
I bought this for Tenerife
Oh, regular season fit.
and I never wore it.
Oh, well, tonight is your night. When to become one. Where are we off to tonight, girl?
We're going to Cage
Oh,
Farm.
we're going to the disco, aren't we?
Yeah, we are.
Show me your dance. Oh, there we go. Watch out. What are you going to have? We're going to have little archers.
I've already had
Little
a Red Bull, so probably.
Bahama Mama cocktail.
Yeah.
Little pina colada. Oh, an
so
excuse to show the back of
sorry.
your dress. Listen, an allergy to beauty, because right now you're giving me full on
Are
beauty.
you
girl.
ready?
I'm ready. You
Look,
ready?
it's half. It's
Honestly,
11 o'clock.
going out 11 o'clock. Kids are at the mother-in-law, eh?
Honestly,
Kids
what
at your
are we
mother-in-law?
doing here? 11 o'clock. What time
Hey?
are we coming home?
Hey, the outlaws.
What time are we coming
What,
home?
can we tell them? I'm ready to come home now. Let's get to bed and watch
Oh,
a
do you know
film.
what? It was a struggle when it getting
Yeah,
up.
look.
It was a real struggle getting up and getting dressed up.
Well, I mean, you made it
We're
work, girl. You were slaying it.
It's allergy season. It's allergy. Sorry. Thank you. Have a good day. All right.
These plants are really messing with my allergies. Can we go?
Yeah, let's go inside.
Sorry, the sawdust is messing with my allergies. Oh.
These are sturdy. I like these. These are good. Wait, are you allergic to patio furniture?
It just reminds me of springtime.
I'm so sorry.
Oh, God. Oh my God, maybe I am allergic. What are these seats made out of?
Again, I'm not Katrina.
Sorry.
The train song, it's messing up a shot.
It's a train song.
We hate it a lot.
It's a train song.
She's allergic to it.
It's a train song. It smells like pot. It's a train song.
It's a train of pot.
It's a train song.
It's a marijuana train.
It's a train song.
A legal train.
It's a train song. It's legal in 4 states. It's a train song.
Not legal here yet.
It's a train song. It will in 2016. It's a train song.
Great, everybody worked really hard. Thank you.
$5.47. I love you guys.
Oh, it is bright today. Good morning, beautiful people. Damn.
Favorite song? It depends on the day. Oh no, I'm gonna sneeze. Mayonnaise. No, it depends on the day. Oh no, I'm gonna sneeze. Oh my gosh, why? Oh man. Yeah, no, I cannot.
All allergies. Ragweed is the worst, with one plant able to produce 1 billion grains of pollen, which means more sneezing, coughing, and general misery.
Baby,
puppy butt over here. Okay. This is Izzy, and she's one of my best friends. She's a good dog. We rescued her, so I'm trying to put some weight back on her. She started to lose a little bit of weight, and we had to get a new diet. I found out that I'm allergic to dogs, so trying to find a medicine that helps with the allergies would be great, because I don't want to have to give Izzy up. It would. Anything that I do around her, or when I give her kisses or loves or hugs or anything, it's like I can't wrestle, and when I'm brushing her and all the hair's coming up into my face, it automatically does this. No matter what I do whenever I'm around her at all. And even in my house I have to vacuum all the time, of course, just to be cleanly, but also because I can't stand the dog hair. And she's a good girl, and she likes to kiss mama and cuddle, and she likes to sleep next to me when I sleep on the floor, when we're taking naps with the kids. She likes to sleep next next to us. But I'd like to find an allergy medicine that allowed me to keep my Izzy. And I'm clear. That's my first one. It's coming back though. I'll just pretend like I'm giving her loves.
Hey, first I want to say thank you to all of the Niche Tribe. Subscribers and Patreon members, we could not do this without you. You guys keep us lifted up and supported.
I feel like everybody has been asking me for a sneeze video for a long time, so let's just do it. Are you happy? You happy?